Carlos and Kimi, great to have you with us. Just all good after the last weekend between you?
Yeah, why?
Pregnant pause. Kimi, all good?
For me, what happens on track, it always stays on track. Then obviously, the decision that the stewards made of giving me a 5-place quit penalty for here after what happened there, I found it completely disproportionate to what the incident itself was, and exposes a bit the rules, weaknesses on the rules that we have, but it's what it is. I have to take it. I obviously assume my responsibility or my share of responsibility for the incident. I wish we could have both continued the race, but I think it's honestly, after looking at the data and all the onboards that we looked at, the fact that they still decided to give me 5th place for here is difficult to understand, difficult to accept, but whatever, I'll take it.
I mean, it's it was a shame because we're both in a decent position, and obviously with the contact, we basically ended both of our races, and I have a different view on the crash. Carlos has his view, but it's what it is, and now we move on.